this. Not this. This one. Okay. And I should have do this maybe before.
Before.
It's okay. Just don't drop it. So see, now it's curved. So
Yeah.
you cut so it's straight. And then feed here. And you need to open this.
Okay.
And now you pull the wire. Watch here, it's gonna come out. See? So you place it kind of and to go into the other tube here. Alright, now it's in. That's it.
Okay.
And there's two grooves on here. I suspect one is for this size, which is 0.8, and the other one is for 0.1. In the back, when I open this, see, there is a larger groove. So probably, I wonder what is this?
Oh.
It doesn't come back.
Oh.
Weird.
What's up?
What the fuck?
Oh.